Tired of the same old bank? You know, the one that makes you feel like a small fish in a big pond, with endless paperwork and fees that seem to multiply faster than your profits? Well, what if I told you there's a financial superhero for businesses like yours? A company that's shaking up the traditional banking world and offering a breath of fresh air. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of Qonto. You've probably heard whispers about fintech startups promising to revolutionize the way we handle money. But Qonto is more than just a buzzword. It's a full-fledged financial platform designed specifically for businesses. Think of it as your business's personal financial assistant, but without the attitude. So, who exactly is Qonto? Well, they're a French company that started with a simple yet powerful idea: to make business banking as easy and efficient as possible. They've taken the clunky, time-consuming processes that have plagued businesses for years and thrown them out the window. Instead, they've built a platform that's as intuitive as your favorite app. At the heart of Qonto is a deep understanding of the challenges faced by small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. They know that your time is precious, and you shouldn't have to waste hours on financial admin. That's why they've packed Qonto with features designed to save you time and money. From managing your expenses to sending invoices, Qonto has you covered. Their platform is like a financial control center, giving you real-time insights into your cash flow. No more endless spreadsheets or manual calculations. Qonto does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on growing your business. But it's not just about the features. Qonto has cultivated a culture of customer centricity. They're constantly listening to their users, iterating on their product, and delivering exceptional support. It's clear that they genuinely care about the success of their customers. Now, you might be wondering how Qonto stands out from the crowd. Well, it's a combination of factors. Their user-friendly interface, coupled with powerful features and a dedication to customer satisfaction, sets them apart. Plus, they've managed to build a loyal community of businesses who swear by their platform. Qonto is more than just a bank account, it's a partner in your business journey. They're helping entrepreneurs and business owners like you to spend less time on financial admin and more time doing what you love. So, if you're tired of traditional banking and ready to embrace a more efficient and streamlined financial solution, Qonto might be worth a closer look. Remember, a happy business starts with happy finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.